I'm gonna show you how you can enable auto connect on Surfshark in just a few seconds. So the first thing I want to tell you is that I'm going to leave you a link in the description below with a very good offer if you don't have Surfshark yet. This is the VPN I personally use, and you have a 30-day money back guarantee. In case you don't like it, you can always get your money back. So after you have Surfshark, if you want to enable the auto connect in your VPN, what you can do is open the browser extension. In my case, I always use the browser extension, but you can use the desktop application or the phone application as well. And then once we are here, you need to go to the settings, then go to VPN settings. You will see this option, which is very useful to connect automatically whenever you launch the browser. So if you enable this, you will have another option to choose where you want to connect every time you open the browser. So you can choose if you want to do the fastest location or fastest server, or you can choose a specific server you want. So for example, if I always want to connect to this UK server, I can choose it. And now whenever I open the browser, I will be connected to this server. So that's it. That's how easy you can enable auto connect on Surfshark. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.